Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Welcome to this English learning video.
Today, we will help you learn simple morning English conversations.
Let's start speaking step by step.
Good morning. Good morning.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Yes, I slept well.
I need some water. I need some water.
I open the window. I open the window.
The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today.
I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning.
Where is my phone? Where is my phone?
It is on the table. It is on the table. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I take a shower. I take a shower.
What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast?
I want eggs and toast. I want eggs and toast.
The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good.
I am making tea. I am making tea.
Please pass the butter. Please pass the butter.
I am getting ready for work. I am getting ready for work.
Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
They are near the door. They are near the door.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
See you later. See you later.
Great job! You practiced with David and Alice today.
Keep learning English every day to become fluent step by step.